How to fix Facebook post limit. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you can simply open a Facebook application in your mobile device and then simply log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three-line icon. Scroll below, tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Inside here, tap on Account Center, and just like that, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Now, you can simply tap on Access Your Information, and from here you can go ahead and view and clear reset activity if needed. Now after that, head back to your home screen and then open up your settings. Inside here, simply tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and then inside here, search for Facebook and then tap onto it. Tap on Upload App, then tap on Upload App again. After that, you can simply restart your phone and then log back into Facebook. And if the limit is due to Facebook restrictions, you may need to wait for 24 to 72 hours. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.